Okay, so this video is going to help you look at real-world situations or word problems and figure out the slope, the rate of change, the initial value or the y-intercept, and the equation of a line and how to graph it. So I am going to do that by working with the performance test that we already took, but this will just be a review, and you can listen to my thought process as I go through it. So Bob is cleaning shrimp. He has already cleaned 6 shrimp and continues to clean 2 shrimp every minute. Create an equation to represent this context. So y is the number of shrimp cleaned, x is the number of minutes. So if he cleans 2 shrimp every minute, that's 2x, but he already cleaned 6 shrimp, so we need to add 6. So write the coordinates for the y-intercept. Well, in this equation, the y-intercept is our starting value, our initial value. He already cleaned 6 shrimp, so 6 is going to be our y-intercept. So b equals 6. You need to write that as a coordinate. Remember, the y-intercept is always on the y-axis, and on the y-axis, the x-coordinate is 0. So 0, 6. Write the slope in rise over run form. Well, we know that the slope is 2 shrimp every minute, so that would be 2 over 1, if they wanted it in rise over run. Now we need to plot this. So I go to my graph. Let me erase that. Nothing's gone. All right, we're on the graph. Plot the y-intercept. So the equation was y equals 2x plus 6. So we need to make a title. Maybe we'll call it cleaning shrimp. The x value is the number of minutes. We'll count by 1. The y value, which they told us, is the number of shrimp cleaned. And we need something to count by. Well, since they're doing 2 shrimp per minute, I think counting by 2 would be a good idea, but a lot of people in class counted by 1, so let's do that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And this is the origin, 0, 0. So we started our y-intercept, so before they even started, they already cleaned 6 shrimp, so we mark that at 0, 6. And then each minute, so each 1 over on the x value, it goes up 2 shrimp. So I gotta go up 2, over 1, up 2, over 1, up 2, over 1, up 2, over 1. I need to connect to my line. Draw an arrow on the end of it. And that's it. If you count it by 2s, it will look slightly different, but that's also fine. Is the function linear? Linear means, is it a straight line? So yes, it is linear. It is linear because it is a straight line. If it is linear, determine whether the slope is positive or negative. Well, it's positive. As you go from left to right, it's going up. It's going up and to the right. As x increases, y increases. As the number of minutes increases, the number of shrimp cleaned increases. One of those answers. Anything will do. A lot of people mixed up linear, nonlinear, and direct variation. Direct variation is when a line goes through the origin, not linear or nonlinear. So this is going to how you interpret these word problems, and this is how you graph.